Hello. Well, I want to let you know that I've been going through an absolute nightmare. I keep recording videos and I've forgotten that they're on slow motion. Because they're on slow motion, there is no volume and I can't speed them up, which is really frustrating when you're trying your best to provide content. So I'm just going to say apologies for not seeing me. I have been away, which has been wonderful. But I also want to say is that, gosh, it is what it is. Mistakes happen. And there are things I'm sure that you've done, work that you have maybe thought was done, disappeared, challenges that you've had and a whole 9 yards. And I just want to remind you that it's okay. It happens. It happens to all of us. Take some of the pressure off yourself for perfection. It's overrated. To err is human. So yeah, that's all I came to say. I've been messing up big time and I think I've mostly got about 10 videos and they're all in slow motion. How annoying, but it is what it is. And I came here to give you all permission to make mistakes and not give yourself a hard time.